sons of God, and we're just traveling through this old barren land. But the beautiful part about it, we just keep holding to God's nail-scarred hand, and we're trying to serve the Lord. Listen. Sometimes we're being built down here, then again we're scum, and sometimes we have to give up. We have to give up the right for the wrong. But I know that we just keep on holding on. We're trying to serve the Lord. Oh, we're working in my God's vineyard. I know. We're working so hard each day. But I know if we keep on working, I know one day we'll get our pay. We are the chosen sons of God, and we are just traveling through this old barren land. But I know if we just keep on holding to my God's nail-scarred hand, we are trying